Okay, this is video number 3. It's done, and I have dished some up and sent it with Stacy and Abby. After I left you guys and hit the wrong button, I added another 8 ounces of water and a tablespoon of honey, and then let it cook. And so now I'm going to taste it. Hold on. I'm going to try and make this not part 4. Okay, now is when I wish that I had added the onions in there. So this is it plated up, the orange chicken, and I made some rice, and doggone it. So I don't know how to make it turn around. So anyway, you can't see me eating this, but I am going to eat this. And I put in a couple of the red pepper chili flakes. Didn't call for it, but I put them in. So hopefully you will like this recipe and you will try it yourself. Just remember, it's not 24 ounces of orange juice. It is 12 ounces of orange juice to start out with. You add the chicken, cook it 2 minutes. After that, you add the 3 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste. Cook for 2 more minutes with the lid on. Take the lid off and stir it, and cook it until the juice reduces. Add 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Stir that up. Add 10 ounces of water. Cook for 15 minutes. 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mustard, and 1 tablespoon of honey. And if you want to put the hot pepper flakes, the red pepper flakes in, then you do that. Anyway, I love you guys. I'm sorry for this mess, but I'm hot, I don't feel good, and I'm going to go sit down. I'm going to eat, and I'm going to enjoy the fruits of my labor, and then I'll probably take a nap. Just remember, I love you guys. God loves you too. He watches over you because I always pray for you guys. I love you, and have a good weekend. Bye.